Here we're going to be setting up the line crossing detection on the ProVue NVR. Go ahead and unlock the account and log in with your password. Once you've logged in, go ahead and open up the main menu and select Intelligent under Alarm. On this screen you can see all the triggers. If it makes a buzzing sound, triggers an external alarm, records the channel, all the options for what happens if someone crosses the line show up here. To set up the actual line and the crossing, go to Intelligent at the bottom. Here you can choose if the camera is indoor or outdoor, and click on the gear to set up the line. You can have up to 4 rules. To draw the rule, you click with the left mouse button and then click again to draw the line. You'll see the letters A and B, and that's the rule type. You can choose if it crosses from one side or the other, or if it crosses on either side. Once you've drawn the rule, click Save at the bottom. In some cases, it might be necessary to draw multiple rules if you want to see 2 different directions or incoming versus outgoing. Select rule number 2 and then draw another line, and then you can choose the rule type for that one as well. Clicking on the red square will let you modify the rule, so you can shrink it or move it by clicking on that red square. You can remove all the rules by clicking Remove or Remove All, and that'll erase all the lines that have been drawn. And that's it. You've also got sensitivity here. The higher the sensitivity, the less movement across the line it takes to trigger. And when you're all done, hit Apply at the bottom.